Okay, we're out here at our test site trying to learn more about these watermark soil moisture probes on a cornfield. Here's our flag that marks as to where the soil moisture probes are in the field. We got them about 2/3 down the way. As you can see here, the corn is about 6.5, almost 7 feet tall now, which represents a reproductive stage, which means that it's using a lot more water. So our trigger points when we're looking at the center bar readings are between 65 and 85, and we want to use that lower value around 65 whenever the crop's using more water. Okay, so now we're out in the cornfield and we made it to our soil moisture probes. We have a 6, a 12, an 18, and a 30-inch watermark soil moisture meter inserted in between this twin row corn. We inserted them whenever the corn was probably about 1.5 feet tall, so we wouldn't disturb the roots at that particular time. Okay, so after previous readings, I entered these notes into my iPhone. As you can see here, I've got from 529 where that 6-inch centibar reading was at 93 centibars, and at 12-inch it was at 53 centibars. So the higher it is, that means the more moisture that plant is using. The lower the center bar reading means that the ground is totally saturated. So we decided to pull the trigger on the 6 and the 12-inch reading based off of previous usage. So when we came down here and checked these soil moisture readings today, we can see now here that that level has gone down to 69 centibars from 93 centibars due to our irrigation event. The final takeaway with these soil moisture probes: if the corn's this tall at 6.5 to 7 feet, we know that those roots have got a big ball and they're really deep in the ground. If we go out in the field during the irrigation season and we're stabbing a screwdriver or kicking the topsoil at about 4 inches, there are no roots there. So we want to get water to that root zone, and really the only way to do that is to install these soil moisture probes to tell us when to irrigate.